Hi everybody, happy Sunday. I hope everybody's having a happy Sunday. Just thought I would come on here and make a video. My husband's watching some TV and tell y'all about what is going on the month of October for Scentsy. So basically, if you host a qualifying party over 500, you will get a free mug and a free blanket that says Scentsy. Let's see if I can show the Scentsy on it. And then on that side it says Scentsy, and then on the other side it has like purple leopard print. Very fuzzy, very comfy. So yeah, so when you host a party with me through the month of October, you can qualify to get a free mug and a free blanket if you host a qualifying party over 500 or more. It's kind of hard to show the logo, but yeah, it said Scentsy on it. So cute and cozy. So I wanted to share that about October, and then let's open the mug. Let's see. Ooh, this is a good size mug. That's pretty. So we got Inspire, Warm, Scentsy, and then that. This is a pretty mug. So if you host a party with me this month of October, you can have a chance to get the mug and the blanket for free over $500 orders, and then still get free and half off Scentsy. So that is awesome. So if you definitely want to do that, let me know and I can get you all set up. But yeah, so then I want to share some other products that I have on hand that are just so cute. This warmer right here is in the holiday collection. It is Melt My Heart. Yep, she went to sleep. So I had to put my daughter in her crib because she was just not having it. And it looks like she tired herself out and is taking a nap. But this warmer is so cute. So this is in our holiday collection. So let's see, let me fix his little feet. He's so cute. He's just chilling on a little mug. Perfect for Christmas. So adorable. So this one is Melt My Heart Warmer. And this is an element warmer, so he doesn't light up, but he's still so cute. And then the wax will go in there. So it's a very decent sized wax dish. But yeah, that is so cute. Now his little legs move as well, so you can position his little legs however you want to. His arms also move. See, this is a Melt in My Heart, and you can bundle this warmer with 3 of your favorite scents, which I absolutely love that you can do that with Scentsy. All warmers you can bundle and you can get scents with them. So I really love the plug-in, the mini plug-ins with 3 bars for $35. That is an amazing deal. One of my favorites. I love that deal. So that is that warmer, and it is now available. You can order on my website and get it shipped straight to your home. And then the second thing I want to share is so adorable. We love Disney in this house. We absolutely love Frozen. My daughter is 17 months old and she loves Frozen. So we had to get her a Scentsybuddy. So I'm very excited. We haven't given it to her yet. They were gonna wait until Christmas, but this is Sven, and I'll open it for y'all. It comes with a little scent pack as well. This scent pack is Fearless by Nature. So it smells really, really good. So there is Sven. He's so cute. So it'll come with the scent pack, and then I'll open this. Oh my gosh, my daughter's going to love this. This is the first time I'm opening it too. Oh my goodness, look how cute. And he is also available on my website as well. Whoops. Let's get this back. There we go. Oh my goodness. Look how cute. Look how adorable. Oh my gosh. And then the scent pack will go back here. Oh, he's so cute. The little Scentsy logo. Oh man, yeah, she's going to love Sven. He's so soft. Wow. Yes, he is so soft. So if you have any frozen lovers in your life, definitely you need a Sven because he's so precious. Oh man, she's going to love him. I want to give it to her now, but you know, I might wait for Christmas, but it's so hard because he's so cute. He is so cute. Oh man. So that's Sven. I'm just gonna put him back in the box. So he is a Scentsybuddy and so adorable, so cute. I want to give it to her now, but I'll wait. And then also share what comes out tomorrow. If you love Disney, if you love Disney villains, you're going to absolutely love what comes out tomorrow. So I will share that. But there's a scent pack again. So he does come with his little very own scent pack. And he is available, whoops. He's available to purchase right now. And so, yes, definitely get y'all a Sven because he's so cute. And his scent pack is amazing. Very good. So there's little Sven. And let me share with y'all what comes out tomorrow. I'm so excited. I've already shared on my VIP Facebook page. So if you're not a part of that, definitely be sure you are, because I share everything first over there. All the sneak peeks, the new releases, everything. So definitely be sure to join. I will always have it linked below. So that way you guys can join and always be the first to know what comes out. So I'm so excited to show y'all. This warmer comes out tomorrow, October 11th. And I'm so excited. It is a very beautiful warmer. And if you love villains, what? Got a piece of hair. You're going to love this warmer. So this warmer is so pretty. And you can also have the chance to purchase the bars. The warmer is $65 and the bars are $6.50. So each villain has a bar. So we got Maleficent, Ursula, and then we have all the others. So I don't know her. I know what movie she's off of, but I don't know if she's the Snow White one. I don't know. Oh gosh. But yeah, so that's a villain's warmer. My husband wouldn't know though. Which one is this villain? The red one. So they're both Maleficent? This one. The purple's Maleficent, right? So who's she? That's sad, I don't know. Hold on, it'll tell me. Let's look. That is embarrassing that I do not know this. For real, for real.
Unless it's the Queen of Hearts.
Okay, it's the Evil Queen. Well, Lord, I'm embarrassed I didn't know that. Whoops. Okay, well, now I do. Which, I don't really get into the Disney villains, though. So that's probably fair that I don't. Like, I like all the Disney princesses, so I can name those by heart. But the villains, I'm not really a fan. But this warmer, yeah, the warmer is definitely a must-have. You got Scar, you got Hades, which I know him. You got Cruella, Ursula. So, yeah, that is coming out tomorrow. So I'm very excited. If you want one, definitely let me know so I can get you order you one. And so the warmer will be $65 and the bars will be $6.50. And there is 4 bars, and each of them are their own different scent. So definitely check that out. If you, like I said, if you are on my group page, you'll get to know more. So be sure you're a part of that. And then there's also another thing that comes out tomorrow as well, and it is Groot and Rocket. So there's a buddy clip and there is a Scentsybuddy, and it comes with its own little scent pack. So that's pretty cool. Let me show y'all the prices. Let's see. Groot Scentsybuddy is $35. Rocket, the Scentsybuddy clip, is $20, and the scent pack is $7.50. If you do get the Scentsybuddy, it will come with a scent pack. So it'll come with the scent pack, and the buddy clip will already be infused with Scentsy fragrance. So yeah, Groot and Rocket are coming tomorrow, October 11th. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, if you have Marvel lovers and villain lovers, definitely check that out. But yeah, I think this is it for this video. I just wanted to pop on here because I haven't made a video in a while, and I'm starting to take my fall stuff down so we can decorate for Christmas soon. So I'm so excited to decorate for Christmas. Cannot wait. Christmas is my favorite time of the year. So I just love Christmas. So I just wanted to show y'all my little Scentsy goodies and tell y'all what is going on with the month of October with Scentsy. I was gonna say September, but it's already October. Can't believe how fast these months are going. But if you would like to host a party with me in October, definitely let me know. So I can get you set up and we can get you earning your free and half off Scentsy, and hopefully get you to earn your free mug and your blanket. It's so cute, so cozy. And again, let's see where the little logo is. I think it's on the, yeah. So, yeah. If you would love to host a party, let me know. If you have any questions, definitely message me. Everything will be linked below. My website, my Facebook group, everything like that. And so, yeah, I guess I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.